You got promoted, congratulations. So now how do you showcase that information on your LinkedIn profile? That's what we're talking about in this video. My name is Lisa Appia. I'm a certified career and resume strategist. Let's get right into it. So we're on my profile here. This is just a dummy account that I'm using for the purposes of this video. And what you can see is that there is a job right here, which is program manager at Google. So what we want to say is that this person has been promoted in this role. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus sign right here, and we're going to go to add position. And what you will do is put in your new job title. So let's say your new job title is now senior program manager. And what you will do is add that in there. You'll put the company name. It's still the same company. So you'll put Google as the company, location still being the same. So then we will put here Toronto. And then I'm currently working at this company or not. You can highlight that information. So I will leave it as yes, still working at that company. And we will say that in April 2022 is when you started this role, because the previous role that the person had on their profile ended in March 2022. So you just want to make sure that the dates align to showcase that it is in fact a promotion. And then from there, if you want to add your description, you can do so, keeping it high level to speak to what you did or what you're doing in the role. And then add the various skills that you are using in this role. You see from my profile that LinkedIn is already recommending some. So I'm just going to choose some of the ones that are here. And then if you have any media, you can add that in as well. From there, what you do is you are now going to press save, and you'll see that what's going to happen is great. LinkedIn already recognizes that there was a job here as program manager that was from January 2020 to March 2022. And now you've added another position that's from April 2022 to present. So instead of it adding a separate job, because a lot of the information is the same, all it's going to add is that you were basically in this role as a program manager, and now you've bumped up to a senior program manager, which highlights your promotion in the role. And in terms of your description, you can definitely add more to speak to the fact that you were promoted into that role. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm sharing the playlist where I have all my videos that are LinkedIn quick tips. They're how-to videos, short videos to help you navigate LinkedIn. You can click right here to begin watching the next video. See you there. Take care.